Hello, Assalamualaikum. Hi pupils, let us continue to our next lesson on Module 6. Just take out your Get Smart Plus 3 textbook, page 62 and 63. The cooking competition. Let's learn together. Before we start the lesson, let's look at what are the learning objectives. 1. To listen and read for pleasure. 2. To revise and consolidate vocabulary and structures learned in previous lessons. Okay everyone, this is your textbook page 62 and 63. Let's listen and read together.
It's Wednesday afternoon and Ted and Faye are in class. Every month they have a cooking competition.
I'm making noodle soup, Miss Tulip.
Are there any vegetables in your noodle soup, Ted?
Yes, of course. Faye isn't very good at cooking. She doesn't like it very much.
Faye, you've got some meat, some tomatoes and a pineapple. What are you making?
It's a surprise.
This month, Ted wins the cooking competition. Faye is sad. Her food is always bad.
Congratulations, Ted. Your noodle soup is delicious.
Thanks, miss. That evening at home, Faye tells her dad about the competition.
Faye, let's cook together.
Okay, Dad.
For 1 month, Faye and her dad cook and cook and cook. Today is the cooking competition.
Faye, you've got some flour, some milk, some chocolate and some eggs. What are you making?
It's a surprise, Miss.
Miss Tulip is tasting the food. Sally's chocolate cake is very good, and Ted's chocolate biscuits are great too. And now it's Faye's turn.
Would you like some chocolate pancakes, Miss Tulip?
Yes, please. This is delicious. Great job, Faye. You're the winner.
Okay class, you have already listened to the story. Okay, I hope everybody enjoyed it. Okay, now let's look at what is the value that you can get from this story. Okay, apakah moral yang kamu dapat daripada cerita ini? Okay, let's look at the circle sentence here. Look at the value. Practice makes perfect. Maksudnya, latihan yang kita buat akan menjadikan kita sempurna. Okay, for example, kalau kamu tak pandai bermain bola, jadi kamu kena sentiasa berlatih. Okay, akhir sekali kamu pasti akan jadi yang terbaik ataupun kamu akan menjadi pemain bola yang terbaik. Okay, now let's try to answer the question. Okay, let's look at the first one. What day is it? What day is it? Look at the picture here. Okay, it's Wednesday afternoon. So the answer is, it's Wednesday afternoon. Okay, look at the second question. What is Ted making? What is Ted making? Apa yang Ted buat? Look at the picture. Look at the red line here, noodle soup. So the answer is, he's making noodle soup with vegetables. He's making noodle soup with vegetables. Okay, does Faye likes cooking? Does Faye likes cooking? Okay, look at the picture. Okay, Faye isn't very good at cooking. She doesn't like it very much. Dia tak suka. So the answer is, no, she doesn't. No, she doesn't. Negative statement, okay? Okay, number 4. What is Faye making? Apa yang Faye buat? It's a surprise, dia kata. So the answer is, it's a surprise. Let's look at the next question. Okay, who's the winner of the competition? Who's the winner of the competition? Siapa yang menang pertandingan itu? Look at the picture here. Look at the red line. Okay, Ted wins the cooking competition. So the answer is, Ted is. Okay, next question. Is Faye happy? Is Faye happy? Adakah Faye gembira? Okay, look at Faye's Faye face here. Tengok muka Faye sini. Muka dia merah kan? Dia sedih. So the answer is no, she isn't. Soalan dia is, so the answer is isn't. No, she isn't. Okay, what does Faye's dad tell her? Apa yang ayah dia beritahu dia? Tengok ni dalam gambar ni. Faye, let's cook together. Apa yang ayah dia bagi tahu? Jawapannya, he tells her to cook with him. Okay, dia beritahu Faye supaya memasak bersama ayah dia. Next one, okay. What do Faye and her dad do for a month? Apa yang Faye dan ayahnya lakukan selama sebulan? Look at the picture here. Faye and her dad cook and cook and cook. Ayah dia memasak bersama Faye. Memasak dan memasak dan memasak. So the answer is, they cook and cook. Mereka memasak dan memasak. What has Faye got? Okay, apa yang Faye ada? Let's look at the picture. Okay, you have got some flour, some milk, some chocolate and some eggs. Dia ada apa ni? Dia ada susu, dia ada coklat, tepung dan juga telur. So the answer is, she has flour, milk, chocolate and eggs. Okay, let's look at the last picture, picture 7. Okay, are Faye's pancake good? Adakah lempeng Faye tu bagus? Jawapan apa? Look at the picture here. This is delicious. So the answer is yes, they are. They are delicious. Last question. Who's the winner of the cooking competition? Siapakah pemenang dalam pertandingan memasak ini? Look at the picture. You are the winner. Dia cakap pada Faye kan? So the answer is Faye is the winner. Okay class, okay, last but not least, okay, this is your homework. Just take out your workbook page 49. Okay, there are 2 questions here. One, read the story again and answer the question. And the second one, do you like the story? Choose and color. Okay, that's all for today. Okay class, thank you for watching. Till we meet again. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.